Hey, what's going on live? It's your boy Wilson. I'm here on Facebook Live. I'm actually waiting for my daughter at the park. She's with my girl playing around. And I thought this might be the perfect time to do a live video on how to get pre-approved by a mortgage broker or bank for a property loan or home loan. So I was trying to think of the perfect video, but then I was like, let me just do it live. Let me just do it on the spot. Forgive me if I forget something, but I pretty much know the basics to help you get approved for a loan. So you've been thinking and you are ready to purchase a property. You know, you've had a great year at your job. Your career is going well. Your credit's going up. Everything's looking perfect. And you're thinking, hey, I think I want to buy a house. First things first, before you start looking at homes, and you don't need a pre-approval to look at homes, but if you want to be prepared in case you do see the house of your dreams so that you can put an offer, you do want to get a pre-approval. In order for you to get a pre-approval, you're going to need to submit some preliminary documents to a mortgage broker, mortgage professional like a lender or a bank. Couple of those documents. So what type of documents? You're going to need to submit at least 2 years tax returns from your job or place of work. You're going to need to submit some W-2 forms. You're going to need to submit pay stubs, at least a month of pay stubs. I've seen 2 weeks of pay stubs, but I usually like to say give a month. What else? You're also going to need to submit bank statements. Lenders like to look at your bank history, and they usually like to go as far as back as 6 months. I've seen all the way back to a year. Oh, did it go off? No. Usually when your phone dies, it does like 20%. I thought it went off. So yeah, they want to see your bank statements. I said your tax returns. I said your pay stubs. If you're renting, they want to see rent receipts. They want to see it as far as a year. So if you've been renting for a year or two, they want to see your rent receipts to your landlord. They may want the information for your landlord so they can verify that you do rent. So I said pay stubs, W-2s, tax returns, bank statements, rent receipts. Lender's also going to ask you for your social. They're going to run your credit. They want to see if you have good credit or bad credit. What's up, Alec? They want to see that your credit's high. It doesn't have to be that high. I've seen people get approved for a home loan with a 580 credit score. Keep in mind, though, if your credit is low, you're not going to get the best rates and programs from a bank or a lender. Usually, if your credit is high, you get better rates, you get better programs. And I can go in more depth in other videos about that. And what else can I tell you guys? Yeah, that's pretty much typically what you need to get pre-approved for a home loan. You know, if you're ready to start looking at houses, contact me. I'll get you in touch with a lender. I work with great lenders who get the job done and who also feed you information so that you make better decisions and you are informed during your home purchase. Yeah, that's pretty much what you need. If you're an employee, that's what you need. If you're self-employed, you're probably going to need you will need at least 3 years or more of tax returns because you're self-employed. You're also going to probably have to fill out a profit and loss statement. I'll go in depth for self-employed people in another video, but pretty much if you're working and you've been at a stable job for 2 or more years, you're definitely going to need 2 years of tax returns. And all the documents need to be original. I've had instances where, like my last deal, the buyer's agent, her client did not have the original documents from the IRS. This caused a delay in closing. We had to wait like 2 or 3 weeks for the IRS to send the original documents. And that was very annoying. But things happen, we learn, and we recover. But yeah, if you're looking to get pre-approved for a home mortgage, this is definitely the way to do it. This is what you need. Contact me if you need any advice or if you'd like me to send you a lender. But yeah, thanks for watching my live.